What's up, y'all? How y'all doing?
Back with another video.
Another one. Like DJ Khaled said.
DJ Khaled.
Hey, we the best. You hear me? Alright.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this video is
Brought to you by no one.
I don't even know how to explain this video.
It's a 24-hour
yeah,
challenge.
I mean, I was gonna try to explain it like this video is like some, special or some shit, but it really isn't.
Special.
But it's the 24-hour handcuff challenge.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna handcuff her to me, and we gotta stay like that for 24 hours.
Mhm.
Now, how are y'all gonna know it's 24 hours?
No, we're gonna show her the time. I mean, show them the time.
But yeah, so and that okay. So that's why I just said, how are y'all gonna know it's 24 hours?
Oh.
No, we're gonna show Come
Sorry.
on.
We're gonna show you guys the time throughout the day.
Yeah. So
or night, whatever. Yeah, however.
Yeah, we're gonna sleep with them. Currently, I mean, whatever time we put them on, clearly that's the time we take them off tomorrow. It's gonna suck because I couldn't find. I tried to find plastic, like play handcuffs, just so
No. Let me tell you the handcuffs he got. Okay.
Look,
he got one of them nasty handcuffs. Okay.
Dude,
he got one of them furry handcuffs.
Dude, cause
that literally it's just like a cuff, and you strap it on your wrist, and
because it's comfy.
No.
Like it's a dude. It's
Do
a
you
comfy
see
handcuff,
anybody else
y'all.
doing this challenge using them kind of handcuffs?
Because no, I don't. But
right then.
Okay, why are you trying to be like everybody else?
I'm not trying to be like everybody else.
Look at her.
I don't want to be walking in public with some freaking handcuffs that look like that.
Look at her.
No, and they were black.
Look at her. She too busy trying to be like somebody else. She can't find herself. Now look. Now, at first, yes. Check me out. I got some handcuffs, with some fur on the inside. Man, beat around the bush. It looked like some fucking handcuffs. It looked like some sex handcuffs. That was not my intention. My intention was to get the handcuffs so we don't gotta use metal handcuffs. So look, because if I roll around in my sleep. So if I roll, I'm gonna yank her fucking wrist and it's gonna hurt her wrist.
Oh, look, you were thinking about me. I'm
like,
so cute.
Like, come on now, so it don't hurt nobody's wrist. And
no.
I mean, same with her, so she don't yank some shit and hurt my motherfucking wrist. Because metal handcuffs hurt. So, but we're using metal anyway, so it don't matter.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Alright, guys, so it is... Oh, shit. So it is...
Currently 8:24, y'all.
Yeah. So
it is 8:24
p.m.
Mm-hmm. Okay, 8:24 p.m. So, we are doing it. Boom, click it. Go ahead, give me your other one.
No. We're using the wrong hand, because then you going to be driving.
What you mean?
If we're going somewhere...
You finna drive.
How the fuck am I about to drive?
You can drive.
Driver's seat, passenger seat. Or I'm going to go like, what the... No!
Oh, shit. Damn, bro. Ain't that right? Damn, so that means I do gotta drive. Fuck. Man, fuck, I'll drive then. Look, it's commenced, man. 8:24 p.m. Y'all saw it. So tomorrow at 8:24 p.m., we taking these bitches off. And I can't wait for it.
Alright, guys. We didn't think this through. He had on a whole hoodie. About to be hot as hell tomorrow. He gonna sweat bullets, so we have to take it off.
Check me out.
He didn't take it off.
We didn't really think it. I didn't really think it through until we got downstairs and I had the hoodie on, right? And I'm looking at her. I'm like, hold on, wait. You got a hoodie dress on. How are you gonna change clothes? Because that means I would have to put that bitch on and then move it across so then she could.
Maybe I should leave I should put my black tank top on so I can already have it on.
And then, you know what I'm saying?
I think I'm just gonna put
my
my
black
tank top on.
Then I had a hoodie on. Her head can't fit through the arm sleeve, so like, yeah, it would have been so fucked. So, look, a white t-shirt. Check me out. We gonna restart it. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
What time? Okay, guys. So I changed my whole outfit.
Yeah. Okay. We had to restart because hoodie, all that dumb shit. Okay. So look, it is 8:32. It's 8:32, y'all. You can't see it because it's on the stove, but it's 8:32. We restarted it. I think I clicked it a couple more times that I should have. Fuck.
Guess where we are. In the car.
In the fucking car.
We're going to go get some drinks.
Man, I didn't plan on...
Because we ordered some pizza.
Check me out. I didn't plan on leaving at all tonight.
Yeah.
Just because we were doing this. But then, of course, Miss Thirsty over here asked me...
You're getting drinks too.
Asked me, can we get drinks with it?
I could have got water. I could have been happy with the water.
Could you get drinks with it? And I'm like, okay, that's fine. I pull up the drinks and it's just soda. Drink water all the fucking time. I'd rather have some juice. So, I mean, it is what it is. We outside. We outside, y'all.
Yeah, so since we're driving, I'm about to turn this light off and we're going to talk to you when we get there. So, check it out now.
Is that all for you?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Insert?
Would you guys like to have a bag?
Yes. We're doing a challenge and we're handcuffed. It's a 24-hour handcuff challenge.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I hope you like each other.
You have to explain. I felt really awkward, so I just wanted to explain why we're handcuffed.
Still here, y'all.
Currently it is. Where's your phone?
Is 10:05. 10:05, y'all.
10:05. We've been like this for
Like
2 hours. Is it 2 hours? Or less than 2 hours? An hour and like 30 minutes.
yeah, like an hour and a half. And it's about as uncomfortable as fuck on this couch.
Yeah.
So
So we're getting there.
hour and a half down. 23 hours and a half to go. Or 22 and a half, my fault. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Nice little update. Shit, I didn't check the time, but
It still should be like 10 something, so.
first bathroom break.
I have to potty.
First potty, y'all. Yeah.
Guys, want to hear me peek?
So, first potty.
Don't watch me.
Go ahead.
Very awkward as it is. Don't watch me.
Well, I can't do this.
Yeah, you can.
First potty,
You can't
y'all.
see no goodies.
This is some shit.
Don't get any love. Oh, can you see me in the mirror?
Huh? No, you can't.
They're gonna hear me pee. No, you can't. Your toilet's pretty silent.
Man, I'm okay tired.
I am too.
These motherfuckers gonna hurt the fuck out my wrist, man.
I'm
These
done.
motherfuckers gonna hurt my wrist like hellers.
That was a silent potty.
First bathroom break, y'all. Success.
Whoa. It's 4:20.
Man.
It is so hard to sleep with these on. We're about to go back to sleep. Someone just had to pee in the middle of the night, so we both had to pee actually, so it kind of worked perfectly. So check you guys when it's about time to get up. Shit, we forgot the phone.
It's like 8:25, y'all.
Yeah, sorry.
I checked the time before we came up here. It's like 8:25 in the morning. So we lasted like almost 12 hours.
Yeah.
Cause shit, I don't even remember when we started. I think it was like 8:34 or some shit.
Yeah.
Something like that. But yeah, morning time, slept okay.
It was pretty difficult though.
Yeah.
Like we both tossed and turned and we couldn't do that, so it kind of like restrained ourselves. It was
Like, bro,
alright.
the last time I was restrained to one position is when I had my knee surgery, bro, and I had that, and I had to sleep with my leg elevated, and dude, that shit was hell. So this was just, I mean, it was alright. It wasn't like I got no sleep, but.
So right now we are outside.
Yeah.
We're about to move my car so I can go over there. So let me show you how we get in the car.
So I have to get in.
Yeah, he has to drive. He has to drive.
Actually, we were using my car last night, so it
Yeah.
was easier. Cause she got her shit all the way up to the motherfucker still with. But shit, man, I gotta fucking climb over.
Oh shit. Damn.
And then boom. And then we do the same fucking thing when we get out.
Yeah, I
Which
go
her
first.
ass don't have to do not a damn thing.
Nope. That's what he get for putting on the handcuffs like this. He was like, "You're driving." I was like, "Really? Okay, whatever." But then he put the handcuffs like this. So.
Brad, you climb your ass over. You shit, come on. I'm finna make her ass do some work. Come on.
Hurt.
You gotta climb over.
You can take the picture.
Come on, you got it. You got it.
I know I got it.
There you go. And then boom. And we out. Come on, man. I gotta. Do we got everything from? No, we gotta come back down here anyway.
Yeah.
I'm gonna change. Look, we can go get something to eat because we don't know what the hell we gonna do today. Honestly.
I'm sorry, y'all. It's so dark. It's like bad lighting.
My house is always dark, so it don't matter.
So
But
is mine, so.
yeah, I don't look. We don't know what the hell we gonna do. We finna go get something to eat now because I'm hungry.
Yeah. I'm hungry too. You hear my stomach growling.
And she over here playing.
I'm not playing. I want a jacket. He not gonna give me
Look,
one.
I don't got no jacket.
Yes, the fuck you do. You got all jackets right there. Look at that.
Dude, I ain't got no jackets. I have nothing for you.
I want one.
I ain't got nothing for you. Yeah, look at my jackets. I have nothing. You see that? It's just that little bit. I have nothing. No. You gonna take my good jean jacket? No. No. Take something else. And you already took off the hanger. You took off the hanger all wrong. You gonna break one of my hangers.
Okay, I'll get you another one. I got like
That's a
10,000
good hanger.
dollars.
Well, then I need one. What do you need a jacket for?
Cause I
Here, come on, so I can change my pants.
I get cold easily in like food places.
You should have been putting your shoes on while I was getting dressed. That's your problem. Come on.
How? We had to go all the way downstairs for me to grab my shoes, and we were all the way upstairs.
Well, why didn't you put your shoes? Cause you know I had to change, and you should have put your shoes on, and then we could. Come on, man, grab your bag. Let's go. What do you even need this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mother. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're getting on my nerves.
It was been like that since we moved in.
Pee break.
Chill out.
Pee break.
Chill.
Hey, you got me.
Come on, man.
Okay, I'm done.
Oh my God, his tires so nasty. Don't worry, Nigel. We'll be back for you.
Wait, where are we going to go eat?
You asked me this question one more time.
I asked you that already.
You asked me, yes. You asked me this in the basement.
I don't remember.
You asked me this question one more time. I swear on Mother Teresa, it's gonna be like that for you. Get in the car. Get in. You gotta get in first. Come on, get in the
Can
car.
you say please?
I'm hungry. It's early in the morning. Come on, can you get in the car,
Where's your phone?
please?
Let me show them the time.
Police.
It is 9:35.
It's 9:35, y'all. We got through 12 hours of this shit.
Shit.
Oh shit. We got through 13 hours of it. My fault. We only got 11 hours to go.
My shoe.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Dude, I forgot
Closed
the door. Ow!
Door closed on his leg.
Ow!
I think I got that on camera.
Ow!
Is it okay?
Fuck! This shit hurt!
Alright, we just got our food. He's left-handed. He's right-handed, but you can use your right hand for right now.
Alright. Yeah, I'm
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let us know if you need anything, okay?
All right. Yeah. I'm hella right-handed, man. I'm right-handed like shit, so I can't really do much.
You can do it. You got this. So we're about to eat, and we're gonna talk to you guys when we're done. So.
Yeah.
Alright, we're at my house now. We just got done ripping and running, as you saw. Now it's time to get out. The hardest part ever. And he don't want to get out.
Dude.
On my side. I've been climbing over all day.
I'm not climbing
it's
over.
It's his turn.
No, I climbed over to get in the car.
Wow, I climbed over all day. I got out at IHOP. I got out at Best Buy.
I never told you to climb out all day.
Marshalls.
I didn't tell you to climb out all day.
Your house.
I would have climbed in and out. Grab my pizza, please. I can't reach back there. Look at my wings.
Okay, grab the pizza.
I was about to.
Okay, but you over here crying about your wings.
You over here
soggy ass.
That's cool. You over here crying that you don't want to climb over.
Yeah, come on, reach your hand, boy.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's cool.
No, we're not getting out on that side. We're not getting out on that side. We're not doing it.
What'd you just call me? What'd you call me? You called me a what?
A boy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
She gonna break it. She gonna break it.
You so lucky my shit just popped.
No, my shit just popped.
Come on.
I don't know what you're doing.
We're not gonna play this fucking game.
My door was open first.
One, you just called me a boy.
I'm sorry.
Okay, that's number one. Number two, you keep, you over here crying about the stupid soggy wing, okay? Look, that's why I ain't gonna help you with nothing you gotta take.
I don't even sound like that.
Look,
Come
that's why I ain't gonna help you with nothing you
me
gotta take. That's cool, I'll climb over. You better carry all that your goddamn self. I ain't carrying nothing. I got my pizza and my soggy ass wings. And I got my Snapple. Fuck you mean? Calling me a boy. That's cool. I don't call you no girl, do I? I don't call you no little girl, do I?
I am a girl.
I don't call you no little girl, though.
I didn't call you a little boy.
Bruh, calling a dude a boy is the same thing as calling a girl a little girl.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
And you're not a girl, you're a woman, so look at you. Get out the car, come on.
Can I find my other flop?
Look, getting loud at me is not going to help you find your funky ass flop. Now is it? Right there under the jacket. I'm not carrying that.
That's your jacket.
Oh, you're so right it is. I thought it was mine. I thought it was yours. You can keep this bitch in the car. You act like you can't. You're not gonna take me home. Come on, man. Get the fuck out the car so I can get out of here. So I can spend these 8 hours with your annoying ass.
No, with
so
your
get
annoying
out these
ass.
funky ass cups. Then I can run around the motherfucker. Fuck!
You need my help?
Fuck, I don't need
All right,
your
then,
dumb ass help.
you wasn't gonna get it.
It's cool. I don't need your dumb ass help. That's cool. Fuck you mean? I just gotta get this shit in my pocket though. Where my phone go? Do this right here. Slide that bitch.
You got the keys?
Yes. Don't worry. Bring your fucking wrist. Yes, I got the fucking keys. See, you getting on my very last fucking nerve.
I asked one simple question. You got an attitude.
Very last nerve.
Look, this ain't gonna work. We got to quit early.
First you call them motherfuckers boys and shit. No, goddamn, I ain't
I
no
said
fucking boy.
sorry.
I ain't no motherfucking boy.
I said
You
sorry.
better get that shit straight.
I
right
said
now.
sorry.
Fuck you mean?
I said
And then
sorry.
you over here talking shit about my wings. Like I didn't pay good money to feed your big ass last night. Fuck you mean? Yo eating that. Come on, bro. I got these motherfuckers too tight. You stopping in the hot. It's heat. It's hot. Come on.
Did he just call me big?
Yes, I just called you big. You eat too much. Now come on. Come on. It's hot. Look.
All right.
You wanna talk? Look.
All right.
You wanna talk that shit?
All right.
You wanna talk
All
that
right.
shit? It's cool. That's 100.
All right.
Damn. I spent my money to feed you,
All right.
and you calling my wings funky and soggy and shit. That's cool.
All right.
Look, guess who not gonna get money spent on them again?
Say no more.
Yo ass.
Say no more.
Fuck. Damn. Not gonna play with, hey, you know what's crazy though? Say no more. You can't even get in the house. You gotta call your sister.
Why?
Cause I'm not unlocking the door.
Look, I can do it myself.
I know. I know you can.
We'll check y'all later. Okay, this is an update. Show them what time it is.
4:54.
4 hours
You feel
ago
like-
or 3 hours ago.
Felt like, yeah, 3.5 hours ago.
I'm about done with this.
Shit. It's about irritating as hell.
I can't even sleep right because my arm, it goes numb. Just.
Shit is fucking irritating.
We just woke up from a nap. That's why we haven't been. That's why we're just now updating you on the clock.
Like, this shit pinches my motherfucking skin.
Guys, we made it out the house.
Man, yeah.
Still got it on, you know. We're about to go to Quick Trip.
Cause we want some fucking chili dogs.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Back at it again. And it's hot as shit in here.
8:35 need to come the fuck on.
It really does. I left my Pop-Tart in here.
Crumbled ass shit.
Oh, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. It's too hot to be on right now. I need to put my seatbelt on. Safety first. But we're gonna see you at Quick Trip.
Oh yeah, this the bomb.com right here. Look, if you don't know nothing about chili dogs and QT, you don't know what you're doing.
Is officially
7:24.
7:24.
We got like an hour and 10 minutes.
I cannot wait. I want my arm back, okay? I want my whole hand back. I want to be able to move however I want without somebody moving with me, you know? Just be in my own flow. Oh my goodness, I can't wait.
Shit annoying, man. Good shit. 24 hours, man. We finna do it.
So, at, what was it, 8:34? So at 8:30, 8:32, we'll get back at you.
Get back at
We'll
y'all.
be done.
We'll be
Done
done
with
with it.
this. Oh, here's Cookie.
What is up, y'all? What's up? What's word? What's word?
It is about to be
8:35, man. Oh, it's 8:35. Let's go.
Yay. No, we gotta show them. Make sure it's
It's
8:35.
8:35.
We are done with this
We did
challenge.
look. We did the challenge. Get me out of these motherfuckers. Thank God. Here. This is what we doing with these. These motherfuckers going across the room. I'm not playing with them.
We are done.
Look, I ain't free. I ain't free. I have my own arm. Thank you. Jesus. Bro, it was a hassle, bro. It sucked. But look, that's
That's it.
over. It's done.
Hope you guys
All right.
enjoyed it.
It's done.
You too close to me.
To go. Oh, my fault. My bad.
I don't want your
But-
arm touching my arm.
Yeah, but it was
That's fine.
it was terrible. But shit. I mean, that's all we got for y'all though. 24-hour handcuff challenge. Succeeded. You know what I'm saying? We did good. Did it. And yeah, that's the video, y'all. Go ahead, thumbs it up. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit that sub button. Hit the bell next to the sub button so you never miss a video ever in your life. Then Groovy like a drive-in movie. We out of here.